Khalistanis have backed Rahul Gandhi's anti-Sikh bias claim. Khalistani Panun latches on to Rahul's claim. Rahul Gandhi claimed religious bias against Sikhs in India. Now Khalistani Panun claims vindication here. The K group has cited Rahul Gandhi's claim to target India. Gandhi's anti-Sikh bias claim has spurred the Khalistanis here. Rahul Gautam, yet another opportunity for the BJP obviously to say that what are you talking about outside of India? Essentially, are you saying or supporting the Khalistanis is the question that the BJP is going to be asked. Rahul.
Rahul Gandhi is inciting. Well, certainly, BJP is using this opportunity to claim that how Rahul Gandhi is inciting, Sikh people, saying that they are being barred from, worshipping, they are barred from entering Gurdwara Sahibs, and how they are not allowed to keep, the 5Ks, Kripan, and this only is going to escalate, as I was telling you earlier also. All these things are going to be accumulated and will be used against Rahul Gandhi and Congress party, because now the remark that was made by Rahul Gandhi has been used and in fact propagated by a known terrorist, that is Gurpatman Pannu, and you can expect that as BJP is claiming that this only shows that how Rahul Gandhi has been siding with anti-national forces and been playing into the hands of anti-national forces, and this statement that has been made by Khalistani extremists is only give credence to their allegations that Rahul Gandhi has been using foreign soil to defame and destabilize Indian regime. So you can expect that this is also going to be echoing in the election campaigns. But we have to really understand that as far as Congress is concerned, they had made very clear that this is what Rahul Gandhi felt, and he has been expressing concerns about the status of minorities under the present regime, and how minorities are being harassed, and the atrocities have been increasing under the regime of NDA. So this is what that he has been claiming, and he has been making these remarks not just this time around, but also prior to this visit. We have seen that how Rahul Gandhi has been expressing concerns. So you can expect that with this remark, being used by and being amplified by somebody like by Pannu, you can expect that this is going to set another stage for confrontation between BJP and Congress in coming days.
Well, absolutely, is what is clear right now. Rahul, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details. On a tour of America, Rahul Gandhi has triggered this storm. This time, it's his remarks on Sikhs in India that have sparked a controversy. While speaking about religious freedom at an event in Virginia, Gandhi said there is a fight in India about Sikhs being allowed to wear a turban or going to a Gurdwara. The BJP is up in arms, asking the Congress MP, what about the 1984 anti-Sikh riots?
Rahul Gandhi's anti-Modi, anti-BJP tirade in the US. And this time, while taking a swipe at the centre, he stoked a massive row.
I don't think the BJP, in a fair election, they were nowhere near to.
While speaking at an event in Virginia, Rahul said that the fight in India is about whether a Sikh is going to be allowed to wear a turban, whether a Sikh will be allowed to wear a kada or go to the Gurdwara. His comment drew huge flak from the BJP. Union Minister Hardeep Puri reminded Rahul of 1984 anti-Sikh riots and how Sikhs felt unsafe during the Congress rule.
The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him, for all religions.
At least in India, the only time when Sikhs have felt a certain anxiety or insecurity and faced an existential threat was when statements were made कि बड़ा पेड़ अगर गिरता है तो धरती हिलती है. This is as close a justification to targeting of minority communities as I've ever seen in my life.
The Congress later argued that criticizing the BJP was not same as criticizing India.
एक प्रधानमंत्री के पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति लोगों को कपड़ों से पहचानने की बात करते हैं। हिजाब के खिलाफ आपकी पार्टी आंदोलन चलाती है। जो आज हिजाब के खिलाफ आंदोलन चलाती है वो कल सिखों की पगड़ी पर भी आएगी।
I don't think the BJP.
Rahul, who is a strong advocate of caste consensus, stoked another row with his remark on the need for reservation.
We will think of scrapping reservations when India is a fair place. And India is not a fair place. Now, that creates a problem. Because there are many people who come from the upper caste, right? Who say, look, what have we done wrong? Right? Why are we being punished? And so then you think about increasing dramatically the supply of some of these things.
Rahul Gandhi has launched a series of pointed attacks against the BJP at various events in the US. His trip comes days ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's planned visit to America. With Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.